Ever feel like your brain is foggy and your heart is heavy? Well, I've got a miracle blend that can help clear those blockages. First up, grab some fresh ingredients. Think berries, greens, and nuts. These powerhouses are packed with nutrients that support brain and heart health. Blend them together with a splash of water for a refreshing drink. Let it sit for a minute to really mix those flavors and benefits. Now, sip slowly and feel the clarity wash over you. Trust me, your mind and heart will thank you for this. Want to try it? Check the link below for the full recipe. Your health journey starts with one simple blend.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and support the videos. I wish you to be healthier.